Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and this is our next video where we will be understanding about how to optimize a production schedule for multi-day. Okay, so basically we have already created a last video where we have understood about finding out the most optimized production schedule for a particular day. Okay, for one day, if you want to run this production schedule for these SKUs, orders, cycle times, and the changeover, you will be able to get that from the application we will be using in order to create that. Again, that is Python based application. So while for this today's video we are going to understand, so if you could look at our total demand is 7,115 orders for these many SKUs with these many respective cycle times. Okay, and this is their changeovers. Okay, so what we are supposed to get out of this is that I need to find out that what will be my daily production schedule. Okay, so what I am supposed to get is I am supposed to get a day 1 production schedule. Okay, here one day 2 production schedule, here then day 3 production schedule, and I am going to get this thing this way. Okay, so this is how this has to be worked on. Okay, so what I am going to basically get when I will be running this application is I will be getting an production schedule, which will be the most optimized production schedule starting from day 1 till it is going to get to that day where my all orders are going to get completed. So what you're going to understand, you're firstly going to understand that how many days are going to be required in order to meet my demand of 7,115 parts. Another thing what you're going to know is you're going to get an day-wise production schedule which you should run your facility in order to get the most optimized throughput. So maximum throughput you are supposed to get, and ensuring the most optimum one of the changeovers. You can add multiple rules into this, you can let me know, and then you can have a customized application for your particular purpose, particular industry, particular domain. So now we are just going to open the application. Okay, so this is how the GUI is going to work on, and this is how the screen is going to look like once you double click on the application. So what here we are going to have two major tabs. Okay, I'm just going to close this for now. Probably let us okay, I'll just close this. Sorry, I'll just open this and I'll just make this close. I'm just saving this. Okay, let us make this screen open, and let me put in so here requested number of days. Okay, so you can put in here that how many days in which you want to get the production get completed. If the production is possible to be getting completed, we'll be having a production schedule for that. But if it is not possible, you will be getting a pop-up message, and then you will know which of the SKUs are supposed to be not possibly to be created. Okay, then the maximum working time also you can mention here, considering the breaks, like 1440 would be the maximum working time in minutes per day. Apart from that, what would be that also you can put in. Okay, so let me just select the file now. So production total schedule, I'm just opening that. Okay, I'm going to open and put it any constraints as of. Okay, so we have optimized schedule 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 days are required for my that production schedule of 7,115 parts to be produced. Okay, so you see here 3 orders are produced here. Then we have almost 5 SKUs, another 5 SKUs to be created in here. Then we have rest of the other SKUs to be ran in here. So they are having the respective production times, changeover times, and the quantities which are supposed to be produced. Okay, then we have these many different SKUs to be prepared, which will be helping us get the production done. Okay, so this is how the production schedule is going to be look like. So the last day we are running 166 parts for the production time of 3 to 9 minutes. Okay, because this has been done. Now what we'll do is we'll just go basically to the production schedule thing. Okay, let us go there. Okay, and we'll open that production total. Let us see how that the production schedule looks in the Excel. Okay, so you will be getting output in terms of Excel with the production schedule day wise. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So if you see, these are the SKUs you need to produce on the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're supposed to get it. So in the 8 days, you're going to produce your production scheduling. Okay, now let me put in here that I only have operational minutes of like 1200 minutes per day. I'll double click on the production schedule. I'll make it open. It will override that. Have a note of it. And now I'm supposed to get the production in 9 days instead of 8 days. You know why? Because our operational time we have entered as 1200 minutes. So 6 plus 5, it will be almost near 1200 minutes. so you will not able to produce more SKUs. That is how it is going to work here. So now you will be producing it in the 9 days. Now in 1200, and I want to make it in 8 days, say, okay, I'm just selecting the file, double clicking it, okay, and let us see how it is. So this is how my production schedule is going to get. Now let us go that we have put it right. We have entered that 8 days I need to have the production schedule done. So this is what you will be getting, the production schedule for your 8 days. But whatever SKUs are not produced will be coming out here. Okay, this. So this SKU with 400 quantities, 817 required production minutes. Total minutes are 800 for 407 SKU quantities orders. Insufficient days are available. That's the reason you are not able to make. So you were not able to make this SKU with this many quantity because it is going to require this many minutes of production time. So in this level of details, you are going to get your production schedule optimized using this application, which will be available for you. Let me know in the comment section if you want to access that. You can reach us out for any queries or any support required related to this from our website, contact us from, or you can email us at leansimcorp@gmail.com. Okay, so I hope these types of projects, these types of applications would be helping you to get your process for your industry optimized more efficiently, and you are able to drive process excellence across your plant. So that's all for today, guys. This is another application where you will be doing multi-day production scheduling with these two constraints you can put in. Let us know if you want to add any other constraints into that, so the application gets more revamped or updated. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section if you need any support onto any of the domains. Okay, we will be happy to help you out, and then we will be meeting into another interesting video where we will be knowing, we will be having an application which will help us identify what would be the travel time for the AGV in Flexsim Simulation, guys. So stay tuned for that exciting video which is going to come in, where we will be running an application helping us identify how much time was spent by an AGV in traveling and how much time it was stopped. So it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for us. So join us on that interesting journey. So till then, you're going to keep simulating, keep watching our educational content, and do not forget to share our videos with your friends, colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.